Ahoy, shipmates! Yet again, it's another land-based activity. As you can see there, at Stonehenge to the north of us. But we're more interested in the south side of the A303, where the Normanton Barrows are. And you can just see a few of them on our left there. In the distance is this new crop circle. Different configuration again. For some reason, it's reminding me of the Domino's logo, or perhaps it's just past my time to visit the galley. Well, this one was quite busy with tourists. In fact, there are a couple of Chinese tourists had stopped their car to come and visit. I have no idea what they thought of it. If we move along from the crop circle, it does point towards this feature here on the landscape, which are called the Normanton Barrows. They are more or less in a line that points towards Amesbury. This whole landscape of Salisbury Plain is scattered with all sorts of earthworks and medieval burials. I noticed there was sort of a direction that this crop circle was pointing in, and when I analysed that on the map, it wasn't really pointing towards Stonehenge. It looked more like it was pointing to the Stonehenge Inn. Possibly the aliens giving interstellar directions to the nearest pub. Well, hope you enjoyed that one, shipmates. Until next time.